Morning class 12. Welcome back once again. In continuation with the chapter National Income and Related Aggregates, where in my previous video I have already explained you the difference between domestic income and national income. At the same time, you people have also done the concepts which are related with the domestic product, that is the gross and net. So today you will be doing a very important part of national income, that is aggregates related to national income. So children, let's get started with the first aggregate of national income, that is GDP at MP, then NDP at MP, GDP at FC, and then NDP at FC. So if we talk about GDP at MP, which is actually a gross domestic product at market price. Now to calculate GDP at market price, here you have to remember that it refers to the market value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during a period of accounting year. Now, here you have to remember that GDP at market price, it includes the depreciation, or you can say consumption of fixed capital, and that is the reason we say GDP at market price equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, because it includes the household consumption, the producer consumption, the government, export and import, the total market value of all the final goods and services which have been produced in our country during a accounting year. Right? Now the second aggregate of national income is NDP at MP. NDP at MP is net domestic product at market price, which goes like this, that NDP at MP equals to GDP at MP, that is GDP at market price minus depreciation. That means NDP at market price, it refers to the market value of all the final goods and services which have been produced within the domestic territory of a country during the period of an accounting year. Now here remember, it does not include the depreciation. That means we include the depreciation, the value of depreciation in the GDP at MP, but we do not include the value of depreciation in NDP at MP. Right? Now the next aggregate is the GDP at factor cost. Now here you have to remember that it's FC now, factor cost. When we are talking about the factor cost, that means the cost which has been related with the services which have been rendered. So GDP at FC equals to GDP at market price minus NIT. Children, NIT is net indirect taxes. That means under this, what we do, we deduct indirect tax and we add subsidies. When it's written NIT, NIT is net indirect tax, in which we say we deduct the indirect tax and we add the subsidies. Right? So GDP at factor cost actually refers to the total factor income. The total factor income, which includes the compensation employees, rent, interest, profit, which has been generated within the domestic territory of our country during an accounting year, and of course along with the depreciation. Right? Then we have NDP at factor cost. When we talk about NDP, that is net domestic product at factor cost, which is equal to NDP at market price, that is net domestic product at market price minus NIT, that is again net indirect tax. Now children, over here when we talk about NDP at factor cost, then it refers to the again to the sum of factor income which has been generated within the domestic territory of a country during a accounting year. Right? So this is NDP at factor cost. Then the next comes is the GNP at MP, NNP at MP, GNP at FC and NNP at FC. That means now we are going to talk about gross national product. when we talk about a gross national product, that means we are also going to include over here the income which comes from abroad. Whereas in GDP, where the word comes domestic, you know very well that only the income which has been generated within the domestic territory of a country, that is been considered. So the next aggregate of national income is GNP at MP. So children, GNP in MP goes like this. It is equal to GDP at market price plus NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. Now, when we talk about the net factor income from abroad over here, then we mean to say that GNP at market price, it refers to the total sum of GDP at market price and net factor income from abroad. That means over here we mean to say that it under GNP at market price, it includes the market value of the final goods and services which has been produced, which includes the value of depreciation, and we add NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad, right? Then we have NNP at MP, that is net national product at market price, which is equals to NDP at market price plus NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. Now when we talk about NNP at market price, children, it also includes, because as it is written NDP at market price, it means it includes the market value of final goods and services which have been produced within the domestic territory of a country, of course exclusive of depreciation. That means the depreciation is not been included, but we do add the net factor income from abroad because it is national, net national. Okay. The next aggregate is GNP at factor cost. When we talk about GNP, means gross national product at factor cost, which is equals to GDP at factor cost plus NFIA. Now when we talk about GDP at factor cost, that means that GNP at factor cost, again it includes the market value of all the final goods and services which have been produced within our territory, and of course during a particular year, including the depreciation value which has been estimated at the factor cost, and it includes the net factor income from abroad. And the last aggregate of national income, that is NNP at factor cost, which is actually a national income. NNP, net national product at factor cost, which is equal to NDP at factor cost, that is net domestic product at factor cost, plus NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. That means under NNP at factor cost, we include the market value of goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country, and at the same time we exclude the depreciation value at factor cost and we add net factor income from abroad, right? So these are the 8 aggregates related to national income, that is GDP at market price, NDP at market price, GDP at factor cost, NDP at factor cost, then GNP at market price, NNP at market price, GNP at factor cost, and NNP at factor cost. Children, please go through them very carefully and very nicely so that you people are able to remember. Now one thing more I want to focus over here is that all these aggregates of national income, children, are interrelated to each other. How? Let me tell you once again. If you see over here on your screen, again I have written these aggregates where GDP at market price equals to market value of final goods and services which has been produced within the domestic territory of a country during an accounting year, right? And then if we talk about GNP at market price, as already I have told you that it is equal to GDP at market price plus NFIA. Now, and when we talk about NDP at market price, now NDP at market price can also be taken as NNP at market price minus NFIA, that is net national product market price minus net factor income from abroad. The reason, because when you are coming to NDP at market price, if you remember at NNP at market price, we said we add NDP at market price plus net factor income from abroad. Now, when you have to calculate NDP at market price, then it could also be NNP at market price minus NFIA, right? Now, when we talk about the next one, that is the NNP at market price, which is equals to GNP at market price. When we talk about NNP at market price, it's coming with gross national product at market price minus depreciation. The value of the depreciation has to be deducted. And when it comes to GDP at factor cost, which equals to NDP at factor cost, that you all know, plus you add depreciation, right? When you are coming towards GDP, you are adding the depreciation. When you are coming towards the NDP, you are deducting the depreciation. Now comes the GNP at factor cost. When we talk about GNP at factor cost, again we are saying GDP at factor cost plus NFIA, that is we take in account the value of GDP at factor cost and we add NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. Then NDP at factor cost, which is equals to NDP at market price minus NIT. Now remember again children, NIT, that is net indirect tax, in which you deduct indirect tax, you add subsidies, right? And the last one, NNP at factor cost, which is actually a national income, equals to GNP at factor cost, gross national product factor cost, from which you depreciate, you minus the value of depreciation. So children, this is how all these aggregates, they are actually interrelated to each other. So go through these aggregates very carefully and note down in your registers and thoroughly go through them.